So about 1 year ago in February, there was a Super Bowl party. And the next morning, one of the things that Ozzi could not forget was the amazing taste of this buffalo chicken dip. And I'm just gonna bring up the message. He says, February 5th at 9:44 a.m. By the way, fellas, I'm calling dibs on the sister that made that dip last night unless she's already married. To which one of the other brothers comes back and says it was Melissa. Seconds later, dibs.
In August of 2018, I had the honor of meeting Ozzi for the first time. When we were walking to the restaurant, Ozzi and Mel started holding hands, and I immediately started fangirling. I could instantly see Mel and Ozzi's spark. In that moment, I knew my sister had found the one.
Ozzi, calling you a best friend really is an understatement. You are as close to his brother as any friend could be. I think most people will agree that you'll never find somebody as honest as Ozzi. And Melissa, when he tells me how excited he is and how much he loves you, there's not a single bone in my body that doubts it.
Anyone who knows Ozzi and Mel knows that you need a couple like an Ozzi and Mel in your life. A great couple who brings so much life and joy. They leave a lasting impression. Strong in their opinions, firm in their convictions, and just an incredible joy to be around. Power vested in me by the state of Florida in front of all these witnesses, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ozzi, you may kiss your bride.
I really am beyond stunned at the beauty of this entire weekend and that couple right there. Our daughter and her husband, Ozzi. There's a saying in Judaism, l'dor v'dor, from generation to generation. It represents that what happens with your parents and your grandparents passes down to you. It's now your turn because you guys are the generation.
Ozzi, I'm convinced that you fell in love with Melissa, not for the beauty she had outside, but for the beautiful person she is on the inside. And Melissa, I'm also convinced that you fell in love with Ozzi, not for his good looks, even though I know that helps, but for the good and humble heart that he has inside. But most importantly, I am convinced, above all, that you both fell in love with each other because of that mutual love you have for God and how you put Him first in your lives. We congratulate you. We love you both very much. And we ask God to bless you on this evening and for the rest of your lives as one.